Welcome to the Rim Brake Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to open your VW Passat door when the battery is dead. First, you'll need to find the mechanical key hidden inside your key fob. Look for a small button on the side or back of the fob. Pressing it will release the physical key. This key is your primary tool for gaining entry when the electronic system is unresponsive, allowing you to manually unlock the driver's door. Now that you have the mechanical key, proceed to the driver's side door. You'll need to locate the keyhole, which might be hidden under a small plastic cap on the door handle. Gently pry off this cap if present. Insert the mechanical key fully into the lock cylinder. Then, turn the key about 90 degrees in the unlocking direction, which is typically clockwise, to disengage the lock mechanism. With the door now open, get inside your Passat. Your next step is to open the hood to access the battery. The hood release lever is typically located on the lower left side of the driver's footwell, near the door sill. Pull this lever firmly towards you until you hear the hood latch disengage. This action will partially open the hood, allowing you to proceed to the front of the car. Finally, go to the front of your Passat and lift the hood. You'll find a secondary safety latch, usually in the center, which you'll need to push or pull to fully open the hood. Once open, locate your vehicle's 12-volt battery. You can then connect jumper cables from another vehicle or a portable jump starter to the positive and negative terminals, following proper safety procedures to provide temporary power.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.